Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegetarian burritos at home. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need vibrant vegetables like bell peppers, onions, and corn, along with your preferred beans such as black or pinto. Don't forget large, soft flour tortillas, ideally about 10 inches wide, plus rice, cheese, and a zesty salsa. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create the heart of our burrito, the filling. Begin by sautéing your diced onions and bell peppers until they become wonderfully tender. Next, add your cooked beans and corn, ensuring everything is seasoned perfectly to your taste. Stir in your fluffy, seasoned rice, which provides a fantastic base. Finally, mix in a generous amount of shredded cheese and a dollop of your favorite salsa for extra flavor and moisture. With our delicious filling ready, it's time for the art of assembly. Gently warm your tortillas for about 15 seconds each. This makes them much more flexible and less likely to tear. Lay one tortilla flat, then spread about 1 cup of filling in a line just below the center. Fold in the two sides of the tortilla, then tightly roll it from the bottom up, creating a neat, secure package. Practice makes perfect. Finally, let's get these burritos ready to eat. You have a couple of great options. For a wonderfully crispy exterior, you can pan-fry them in a lightly oiled skillet for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Alternatively, bake them in an oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Serve your homemade vegetarian burritos immediately with your favorite toppings like extra salsa, guacamole, or a dollop of sour cream. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.